Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create free captions in any language in 2025. This is perfect if you want to grow your global audience and make your videos easier to understand. Step 1. Open CapCut Online Editor and upload your video. Step 2. Click on text and then select Auto Captions. CapCut will generate subtitles automatically in the original language of your video. Step 3. Once captions are created, choose the Translate option. Select the language you want, whether it is Spanish, French, Arabic, Hindi, or any other language. Step 4. Review the translated captions. AI is fast, but sometimes it makes small mistakes. You can click on any subtitle line and edit it directly in the timeline. Step 5. Style your captions. CapCut lets you change the font, color, size, and position so your subtitles look professional and easy to read. Finally, export your video with the captions included. Now your content has free subtitles in any language you choose. And that is it. With CapCut in 2025, you can generate and translate captions into almost any language for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which language you will try captions in first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.